Zero joint technology. Composite technology sounds good. However, there have been rumors in the market that the holding strength of this technology can't match the holding strength of a conventional hot melt edge. What's your take on that?
Yeah, it goes like this. If we have the edge, enter everything properly, pay attention to the energy value, and input that correctly into the converter, then we also get proper melting and activation of the functional layer. That's really important. If we don't achieve that, we get exactly these kinds of defects and see in the market that the edge doesn't hold. But if we have proper, correct activation, the edge holds on really, really tightly. Very often, it even tears when you try to pull it off, and it's stuck so firmly that the edge basically can't be removed anymore. Instead, I get a very, very strong bond, fusion, and end up with a perfect zero joint.
Even if I have trouble later on adjusting this energy, could I contact your application engineering department?
That's correct. So we also offer, if someone wants a defined value, it's not enough to just pull on it by hand. So for that, we have this device here. I can place the edge in there, pull the whole thing off, and then see a defined Newton value, and I can check whether I'm in the right range or not and adjust my machine if necessary. We at Rehau Technik are happy to provide support with that. Just send the components to us, contact our technical team, and we'll be happy to help.
Now, there's another significant question that has come up in the market recently, the important topic of water resistance.
That means especially in kitchens, bathrooms, where there's eventually going to be moisture. Here we have the PRO Edge, which features a functional layer that is even resistant to chemicals. It actually comes from industrial use, from laboratory development, specifically for labs that have to work a lot with harsh cleaning agents and so on. And we then achieve a very, very good weld. The way we've set everything up now, energy, pressure zone, everything is just perfect. We can take a look at it, there we can see that we have a really, really, really good joint. It's sealed. It's important, of course, that I don't mill in too deep, so I don't cut the edge below the top layer. It's better to leave just a tiny, tiny bit, then I'm always on the safe side. Alternatively, over here you can see, the joint is open. See, here you can really see it. Then, of course, we've got a problem. Moisture gets in there, the joint isn't sealed. That's because the energy was too low, a conversion was done wrong, something happened, or the pressure zone is crooked, and then I have to readjust.
Another big question in the market is the availability of decors. Not every decor is available with a laser edge, for example.
Yes, we've tackled that. We've invested in and built high bay warehouses. That's running very successfully, and now we've stored 200,000 variants there.
200,000 decor variants. So what exactly if I happen to want a specific decor that's not currently in your vast warehouse?
That's a good question. We might need to dig a little deeper into that. We have adhesive primer edges, the PRO edges that we've processed here today, and the plus edges. So, basically, that's 3 variants, and the adhesive primer edges for hot melt or reactive glue, if you order by 4 p.m, they'll be shipped out the same day. And we usually have all the other edges in stock, but if, out of those 200,000 edges, there happens to be one we don't have, it'll be reproduced and packed within 5 to 10 days and then shipped out. A quick note, the PRO edge is available starting from 1 roll, and if I have smaller objects, I need to go with the plus edge. Those are actually available starting from just 1 meter, and again, if you order by 4 p.m, the items in stock will be shipped out the same day.
But to wrap things up, I have one more question, and it concerns the shelf life of the edges. How long can I keep them in my warehouse and still be able to use them?
In principle, an edge like that can be stored for a long time. Our technical delivery terms state that they have a shelf life of 1 year. But it doesn't suddenly become unusable after a year or become unworkable. It actually keeps working just fine. If I store it properly, dust-free, dry, not by the window, not on the heater, but in a closed room, then it'll still be good even after 2 years. Then I just take the edge, do a quick test, run it through once, tear it off once, check if the adhesion holds, and I don't know of any case where the edge doesn't stick or doesn't work anymore, it just works. Just do a simple test, and that's all there is to it.
Okay, very insightful. Once again, thanks for the expert answer, and I'd say let's keep going and see what else this topic has in store for us.
With pleasure.